Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Once your system is up to date, you can proceed with the installation. Run the following command. After the installation is complete, you can launch Grsync by searching for it in the application menu or by icon. Grsync will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.